video tutorial on how to make an icon in Photoscape. So click your Photoscape, then click editor. So then you gonna menu new photo, then set as 150, then 150. So you're gonna okay, then white background, then you're gonna add na photo. So shoot. So that, then you gonna resize it so it can be look like this. If you want click photo plus objects, click photo plus objects, then you combine your photo with objects. So we gonna move the size so we can that, then you're done. Click photo plus objects and that, then you're gonna add some effects. Click home, filter, film effect, so film effect, then you're gonna cross process though, cinema high, so that, then you're gonna color curves, that, then you're gonna color balance, and that, then you're gonna save as or anything you want to use it. So edits for you 1 2 3. So I'm gonna give you a pack if you subscribe me. So bye.